touched down, man.
We in Oakland Park, ready for this beer crawl.
Hell yeah.
What's going on, guys? First beer of the day. We're having the Paddle IPA from Funky Buddha. Pretty good IPA, man. Hey, Funky Buddha has some of the best merch in the game right here. Like, check that out, but look at the back. Oh.
Lou, what are you getting for food here today?
I think I'm gonna get the wings.
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright, man. Let's see how this is. Right here. Alright. So we got the classic IPA, we got the Hop Gun, Hazy IPA over here, Cosmic Journey. Let's see. Gloves off. What's the gloves off? Oh yeah, the red ale, brown ale, and then we got the classic maple bacon porter over here. You can find that anywhere. Find this anywhere. Cosmic Journey, really cool can. You can find that at Publix. Start off with the hot one. When I got into the craft beer scene, Hop Gun was like one of my first go-tos, and it still is. So it's still in my refrigerator. Where did that go? Where is that? What is going on? Oh, it's on the board. Yo, when you guys come to Trippin' Animals, they got some of the best merch also. Look at that. No mamas, for the ones who know. Right, what's the saying? The ones that know, something like that, but
No mommy's with you.
yeah, that's their lager right there. And then check this one out. So that's one of my favorites, and I also got this one right here. Nice merch. Oh, and this is what we drinking, Swerve. Drinking on the Everhaze. Great beer. Hazy IPA.
Yes.
And this is just their tap room. Physical brewery is down in Doral, Miami area.
Oh, yeah.
Hey there, we're at Voodoo Brewing in Oakland Park and ran into Swerve and Lou. Cool guys, although I did see Lou on the train, a video of him coming down this way. And Voodoo Brewing has delicious beer, great eats, and these guys are cool as hell, so cheers.
Yeah!
You guys, Lou, how you feeling, man? Third stop in.
Hey, I'm feeling great. I didn't think I was going to have a Belgian at the third stop, but we're over here at Voodoo Brewing. They got Voodoo Love Child, Belgian Triple. You know I love my Belgians. This is a good one.
We got a couple more stops to go, man.
We'll see.
Yeah.
I'm cheesing over here, man. I'm cheesing. We're having a great time. Oakland Park. Y'all gotta come check it out. Take the tri-rail down. Mangonia Park in Palm Beach. Come down to Oakland Park. And then go back.
Hell yeah.
We got you guys.
Hell
Right
yeah.
here, official now.
Hell yeah.
Second row.
Hell yeah. Appreciate y'all. Hell yeah.
We ready.
Hell yeah.
Or with the bachelor party.
Hey, before
Yeah.
everybody gets out, he's gonna get out and shoot everybody coming out the bus.
Yeah.
The B-roll, oh my goodness, about to be crazy. Go ahead, man, go ahead. Check it out.
Hell yeah. Lou, where we at?
Bonus stop. We're at Invasive Species. The ambiance is crazy. Word.
All the animals, nuts.
Look at the ambiance.
Hey,
Yeah.
it's definitely a bonus stop, man. I'm glad we came.
It's a great brewery. It's a great brewery.
Oh yeah.
Jazz flute. Yeah.
Perfect.
Lou, have you ever tried a jazz flute?
What's that?
A jazz flute? I don't know.
It's your turn.
I don't know. Oh yeah, I don't know.
What makes
This is great, obviously. And we've been to a couple stops. This is a bonus stop because we got picked up by like a group of people on the bus.
Yeah, I was wondering what the bus was.
Yeah, we were on that bus. Yeah, this is a bonus stop.
Nice.
And the beer's great. And this is his first time here.
I've never been here. Great place.
Thank you.
We done made it, man.
Invasive Species. They got the merch wall up here. Check it out.
Oh yeah.
Lord,
Look at all this stuff.
yeah. Looks good.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Appreciate you. Hell yeah.
Last stop was Invasive. Right before that, we went Tripping Animals, Voodoo Brewing, Funky Buddha Brewing, Oakland Park, Fort Lauderdale area, you know. Just about to get on this train and head back home.
Wait. Where's home, Lou?
I don't
Look.
North.
Dude, like so north, it's not even funny.
North.
Ah.
North side.